Racial segregation had been a problem in the US for a very long time until the after World War II when things started to change and it was the start of the desegregation area. After World War II, during this time, the 1950s, legislation started to change and it was no longer legal to discriminate against black people, and efforts were made to integrate them into society. It first started in schools. Schools could no longer reject black black children from enrolling, and then it moved to the housing area. The documentary is about the reactions to from a town called Levittown in Pennsylvania, which used to be all white. After the mayor's family, a black family, moved there. Most people were against them moving moving there, but there were some people that accepted them. The main reason mentioned by the people interviewed in the video for being against the Myers moving there is because the the reason they moved to this town in the first place was because it was all white. But now with the Myers family there, that's no longer true, and they think that is a violation of their rights um, and civil liberties. They feel threatened by having blacks around because they think that having them black kids growing up with their white children, most of the ladies in the video seem to be mothers. They don't want their children growing up accepting black people and then having mixed race marriage and mixed race children because um, that would lead to black people becoming equal to whites, which they are very against. Some other issues they mention is that they mention having with the Myers around is that um, it creates tensions, that they also say that they only moved to the town to show that they could, not because they wanted to be there, or they think that it will bring down their property values to have them around. There's also the rumors about them that they were paid by someone to move there for a group, but in the people in favor of them mentioned that well those are only rumors. There's not actual reasons to believe that they will not be good neighbors or good people. Someone also posed the question that if they are law abiding citizens, why not? Why just not have them here? Someone else also said that it's all hysteria, and yeah, it's just fear of having them around because of their racism. A woman says that property values would actually not go down because of the family that is a white people issue, that the minority don't really influence them. um, Another reason that people are in favor of having them around is because well having more black families would lead to a better representation of American society. A neighborhood with all white people doesn't really represent American society. And yeah, are the reasons people are in favor of having them around. There's not that many. Um, most the commentary the documentary shows that, well, the change was not well accepted, and people were refusing to accept the change. And it shows show it shows that, well, the change took time to happen, and it also shows the hardships that black people had to go through for this change and to be accepted into society.